Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the Learners Club YouTube channel. Let's learn pronunciation. We have already learned pronunciation of 30 words. In this video, we will learn pronunciation of more 10 words. You might pronounce incorrectly. Yes, recapitulation is very important. First, we recapitulate the last 10 words. Say these words: salmon, lattice, brochure, bouquet, almond, anchor, architect, alarm, ancient, icon. Let's get it started our lesson. The first word, people. People. Say this word, people. Don't say pupil. It's wrong. People. Say this word, people. Number two, pamphlet. Pamphlet. Say this word, pamphlet. Here PH gives the sound of F. Pamphlet. Don't say pamphlet. Pamphlet. Number three, kernel. Don't say kernel. It's wrong. Kernel. Kernel. Say this word, kernel. Lieutenant. Lieutenant. Say this word, lieutenant. Yes, it's for you. Lieutenant. Say this word, lieutenant. Lieutenant. Number five, Wednesday. Yes, don't say Wednesday. It's wrong. Wednesday. Wednesday. Yes, Wednesday. Number six, handsome. Say this word, handsome. D is silent in this word. We don't pronounce D. Handsome. Say this word, handsome. Number seven, aunt. Yes, it's abbreviation of are not. We say this word, aunt. Like this, aunt. Number eight, etc. It's abbreviation of etc. Don't say etc. People say X. No, it's wrong. Etc. Say this word, etc. Number nine, waistcoat. Yes, we don't pronounce T. T is silent. Waistcoat. Say this word, waistcoat. Number 10, cupboard. Don't say cupboard. It's wrong. Cupboard. P is silent. P is not pronounced. Cupboard. Say this word, cupboard. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में इंशाल्लाह 10 न्यू वर्ड्स की प्रोनाउंसिएशन सीखेंगे. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. सब्सक्राइब द चैनल द लर्नर्स क्लब. अस्सलाम वालेकुम.